We started in 2001 primarily as just a grading and paving company. Then we got into gravel pits and selling aggregate. And then we started a concrete side, so we have mixer trucks and 2 concrete plants and an asphalt plant, and we do grading and paving and sell concrete, and we do precast, and we have concrete pumps. And well, we've been buying parts from them for years, and we started buying brand new trucks from them probably about 5-6 years ago. We've been buying new mixer trucks and new dump trucks and super dumps from them, and we currently have 4 trucks on order with Dobbs right now, and we're going to continue doing business with them and continue with the Peterbilt way. Dobbs is very service orientated, and I love the dealership right there in Liberty Lake. It takes care of us. It's a good close location for us, and the salesman Doug Nosworthy has been impeccable and always on time with everything, so it's been great.